There are a lot of ways to make money online in this generation, and if you haven't started making online, that means you are missing out on the train, and you shouldn't, guys. So that is why I am here, so that I can show you ways on how you can also earn online. So welcome back to our channel. If you are new, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this website right here called TryMata. So what is the work of this website? So this website pays you to test other websites or app, guys. You know, there are some websites that people need to check, like they need people to check their website to see if it is okay, functioning well and all, guys. So you can literally do that and you get paid. That's just easy, guys. Just give your opinion and you will get paid. So now, as you can see here, it says website testing by TryMata. Test, identify and unleash your best website usability experience by eliminating the guesswork and knowing exactly what your user wants. So now let's go down. As you can see here, it says crafting beautiful website usability experience for leading brands including. So that's just how it works, guys. So now let's go down. As you can see here, it says over 360 website testing tools. Say full stack website usability testing, UI UX research, remote testing and more. So that's just how it works, guys. You can see here how do users interact with each element. You see website and app user experience, UX testing, website and app user interference, UI testing. So that's just how it works, guys. So now as you can see here, there are a lot of more things here, e-commerce testing, remote usability testing and more, guys. So that's just how it works. So for us to make money, guys, I want to show you something. So what we just need to do is we need to scroll down here to this section right here, guys. So when we get to this place right here, guys, what I want us to click on is this here right here. You see tester recruitment. So just click on here. So now it's loading. As you can see here, it says demographic filtering. You can see here, never worry about recruiting your own participant or user testing again. Every time you run a usability test with TryMata, you can draw on our panel of over 500,000 demographics created tester and get the exact kind of participants relevant to your product and brand. So that's just how it works, guys. So what we just now need to click on is, you see here, get paid to test. So you just click on this section right here. So when we click on get paid to test, so it's loading. So it will show us the place, guys, that we can able to earn on TryMata. So we'll literally test and earn. So as you can see here, it says what does being a tester entail. You can see at TryMata we help make the website easier for everyone to use by letting designer and coders see the obstacles that real people run into on their sites and app. So that's just how it works. So what you just need to do is put your full name here, your PayPal email, so that you get paid, guys, after you test the website, the password and confirm password, and that's just all, guys. So they will review your website, guys. It will take like 48 to 72 hours for them to review your website, and after they review your website, guys, you will be qualified to earn on TryMata. And that's all, guys. You start earning and making money for yourself. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, guys. So thank you for watching. See you next time.